Start by opening your Messenger app and scrolling to your conversation list. Look for messages that seem suspicious or unwanted. Tap and hold the problematic message to reveal a menu of options. This is your gateway to organizing your chats effectively. Among the options, look for Report or Spam. This will inform Messenger about the unwanted content you're receiving. Once selected, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is your last chance to ensure you're moving the right message to spam. Confirm your action. The message will now be moved to your spam folder, and you won't see it in your main inbox. Always check your spam folder periodically to ensure no important messages are lost among the unwanted ones. By moving messages to spam, you keep your inbox clutter-free, making it easier to find important conversations. You also reduce distractions, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your meaningful connections. Additionally, reporting spam helps Messenger improve their service, benefiting everyone in the long run. So, take a moment to manage your inbox effectively. Your future self will thank you. Now that you know, go ahead and keep your messaging experience clean and enjoyable. Remember, a spam-free inbox is a stress-free inbox.